B makes tea. Welcome, little listeners. Today's story is a buzzing adventure of baking, teamwork, and a very special birthday surprise. Let's join Bee, Ant, and their friends at Queen Bee's birthday tea. Meet Bee. Bee lives beside the sea. Today she's all aflutter, for it's Queen Bee's birthday tea. Bee buzzes home and starts to bake. Soon her rooms fill up with cake. Chocolate cheesecakes on the chairs. Cherry cupcakes up the stairs. Pies piled high with plums and pears. Ant runs in and grins with glee. You are making tea for my Queen Bee. Her birthday tea is by the sea. I've planned a grand tea on the sand. It must go well. Can I lend a hand? They stack up cups and fill the pot. Bee starts to frown. It looks a lot. Oh, Ant, how will I carry that? Wait there, says Ant. I will soon be back. He finds his friends and lines them up. They carry cakes and plates and cups. 2 take the milk. 3 take the pot. Look out, calls Bee. That tea is hot. Wow, says Ant. That cake is tall. Be careful now. Don't let it fall. Speed up, shouts Ant. Move that cake faster. Then one ant slips and trips. Disaster. Oh no, Bee cries. She sobs and sighs. That was my Queen Bee's big surprise. The Queen will be so mad with me. She'll say that I'm a bad bee. Collect it all, Ant tells his team. Now quick, Bee. Whip some buttercream. You need to use a cream like glue. See? Stuck together, good as new. The Queen Bee gasps and laughs. He, a special cake that looks like me? Thank you for my birthday tea. And that's the tale of Queen Bee's birthday tea, where a little teamwork turned trouble into joy. Thanks for listening. Don't miss more fun adventures. Like, share, and subscribe to Arso Reading Club for more educational stories.